Hey, what's up, guys? It's Carla, and today I'm here with...
Hey guys, it's Nessa.
Yeah, so I'm here with Nessa, and today we're going to be showing you how to do the two-player gum factory money hack thing. So if you want this much money, we're going to show you how we do it, okay?
Look how fast it's going to grow.
Yeah, literally, bro's like, you want this? You want this? You can literally buy anything. Here, look.
Literally
anything.
Everything. I'm pretty sure we already bought everything.
We bought everything. So
yeah, we bought everything. We didn't go to the beach.
Oh yeah. So basically, we're gonna show you 2 easy ways to get your money up, like literally right away. You can just go in. You don't need anything. You don't need SPEED COILs for the first hack. You don't need anything. So
anything.
You can be a noob and do this hack, which is literally perfect. So, we're going to show you how to do that, and we're going to go into a different server and start off from scratch and show you how we did it.
Yeah.
Okay, enjoy.
Just the whole process of us buying things.
Yeah, I think. Okay, so, basically,
do you want to do that,
once you start off, we can, like, speed up the process so it's not as long, you know?
Oh, yeah.
So you just want to buy the basic, like, you want the wall. And, I don't know, we start off with money because I have VIP, so.
Same.
So you just buy as much of these as you can. It doesn't really matter if you have them or not, because, like, it's not important to the hack, but if you need money to buy these up here, you know what I mean? So you want to buy as much of these as you can.
Are you recording?
And you need, I think. Yeah, and you need all of these to like start the hack, but 3 is...
Oh, we can do the hack now.
Yeah, 3 is literally good enough.
So basically, you're on the conveyor belt here on the 2nd floor.
Mm-hmm,
and you're just going to jump through all 3 of these, and let yourself drag back until, like, the bottom of this hill,
yeah,
and
like,
you're going to keep
here.
doing that until you reach the amount of money you desire.
Yeah, so basically, we literally just have to continue this for, like, 3 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yeah, and the money just goes up so fast. But, if you have a SPEED COIL, this hack works way better.
Way better.
But either way, you could still do it. So we're just showing you this way because it's kind of hard to get a SPEED COIL unless you have, like...
Yeah, because it costs $3 million.
Yeah, unless you buy premium, which is also... We're not here for that, you know? We're not here for that stuff. I'm just gonna go check on our money. It probably hasn't worked that fast yet.
Carla?
Oh, never mind. It worked. So, as you can see...
you get money really quickly than you normally would.
Yeah, as you can see,
so you just keep doing that for, like,
it works.
longer.
And the more money you have, you wanna complete this, so you wanna get all of these right here because I'm so dumb. It gives you, like, more money, you know? The more you have, the more complete you get money. Like, as you can see, we got up to SX. Like, I don't know what
SX.
Yeah.
It stands for sextillion.
Sextillion. That's even, like, crazy that
as
a
like
number.
Quadrillion.
Yeah. We don't know those numbers. Yeah, we don't know those numbers. So literally all you have to do, and
super easy. Super quick.
Super Veet, and you can buy, like, everything.
Rapid.
So once you just buy what you want to buy, you know? I don't really know. Like, when you have your money, you just buy what you want to. Yeah, the money's going up pretty good. But we want millions, so I'm gonna come back in what time? So it's 11:53 right now.
Minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
And then we're gonna get SPEED COILs, and I'm gonna show you the other half.
So exciting, guys. Be excited for the next part. Okay, so it's been, like, a couple minutes, like 3 minutes, I think.
5 maybe.
Nessa got 13 million, and I guess now I'm at 100 million. So now, that means because Nessa's purple, so that means she could buy the speed coils.
This?
Yeah, well, I'm a little slow in my brain.
Okay,
Yeah,
so with this one, pretty basic. Put on the speed coil, and you down it to the bottom of the hill, and then through all these 4 blue thingies.
Yeah, it's literally the same as the other one, but you don't have to, like, jump through them.
You don't have to jump and hit your head on these fabricators.
Yeah, it's a lot faster.
So, yeah.
And, once you do this, like, a couple times, you're literally getting to, like, millions. And, no, like...
More than millions. Quadrillions.
Yeah, quadrillions, like, what even is that? You don't know. You get to money that you can't even pronounce.
Yeah, like, I don't, yeah.
And
I
once you start buying things...
20 character one, and I don't even know.
Yeah, it's really crazy. And once you start buying things, you don't even notice your money going down because it literally doesn't even put a dent in your money. So
this house over there is hacked, so we're just gonna stay away from there.
Yeah, that's okay. It's on the opposite side. We don't even care about that house. If you've ever wanted to finish the 2-player gun factory, this would be the hack for you.
Yeah, because you don't have to do any work, and you don't have to take, like, several hours playing this game. Because, like, once you buy the 3rd floor, there's stuff that costs $1 billion.
Yeah, and it's crazy. It's crazy. Okay. I can't help myself. I can't help myself. See, and sometimes I just get lazy, and I don't know if this works, but I just run through the first 4. But it's better.
It could work sometimes.
Yeah, because I don't know what's the difference between running down. But it's better if you have 2 people, because, like, then...
You can share the money.
Yeah. It's, like, great. It's a crime. And also...
Okay, so I'm at $1 billion.
You are?
Yeah.
Also, you can, we just run through this, and we don't know if this even works, so you don't have to do this, but we feel as if it works, because...
Sometimes. Yeah. Sometimes you get, like...
Yeah, so as you can see, Nessa's already at $1 billion.
Well,
so you can see that this hack works.
Because I have money for it.
You could see that this hack works. Like, I don't know, there's nothing...
I'm buying everything on the bottom floor because I can't.
Yeah, now...
hack is amazing.
Now I'll just go...
Like, I'm already at 254 million for ropes.
There's the beach, the beautiful...
That's not the beach. That's the island.
No, it's the island. Yeah, and that's the island. It's pretty nice there. As you can see, I still have a lot of money, and I just bought, like, everything on the first floor. Which is everything. It's everything. It's an icon. But yeah. I don't really know what more to say besides, like, this hack works.
Super quick and easy. And it works. It hasn't been patched yet.
Yeah, and I don't think it ever will.
To get money.
And live better.
Save money. Live better.
I don't know if that's
Walmart.
from... Oh, it's Walmart? Yeah, so there's some conveyor belts up here to buy.
Where? I'm blind. I just bought a food thing. That's okay, we love food.
Yeah, food's delicious.
It is delicious. I love food.
Okay, so now I'm starting to run out of money. Because I'm only at $1 million, which is kind of sad,
Oh,
but...
that sucks. We love this history. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we need more money. Okay, now so your money's going up so fast, and, well, I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna continue doing the hack, and I will come back in 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes.
This is gonna be such a long video.
Oh. What? Okay, guys, so as you can see, the hack works. Like, I don't know, Nessa is at O right now.
I know, I'm at 49.50.
Yeah, whatever that is.
O stands for, but that must mean a lot of money.
Yeah, whatever that is, that's crazy.
I can buy everything. It's pretty lit.
Yeah, so basically, it's like, this literally used to be my dream to finish 2-player gun factory because I never could. Yeah, and you and your best friends can do this as like
or your cat.
Yeah, or
that's okay too.
Or even like a family member. It doesn't matter who you do
like
this
your
with.
dog,
Yeah, it doesn't matter who you do this with. when you do this, as long as you do this hack, because it literally works. I don't know what else to say.
So much time.
Yeah.
You don't have to do the hack if you don't want, but we recommend it. 'Cause
yeah.
It's pretty fun.
So if you guys liked this video, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, because subscribers are just great, and you can see whenever I post a new video, and there is a new video coming up on what's today? So Saturday. There's a new video coming up next week.
1 a.m.
Yeah, so there'll be a new video up next week on Saturday of me and Daniel, and it's some like quiz thing. I don't even know. It's gonna be lit because it's kind of funny. Because I edited it. It's funny. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So don't forget to friend us on Roblox. Friend Issa Unicorn 04 and Dean Lover 123, and we will accept them all. We will accept all friend requests because we love Roblox players. Yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Give this a big fat thumbs up. Yes, I'm totally one of those YouTubers.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And
follow me on Instagram @NessaManryK.
Yeah, I'll put them in the description. So look in the description, follow, and
Carla
yeah.
_Losi.
Yeah, we're pretty lit on Instagram. We're pretty poppin'. We're pretty cute. Yeah. Do you want to see what's behind the Roblox? What's behind the Roblox?
Yeah, what's behind the computer?
So, anyways, thanks guys for watching. See you guys later. Peace.